when it's square. Caleb, Caleb, fly. Fly it. Ah, you gotta fly it hard, dude. He's gonna catch it. Oh, nice. Let me see. All right, ready? Nice. All right, here we go. Here we go.
Let's go! Snap. Is that mine?
Yeah.
Have a good one, guys.
You
You too.
Take care. Okay.
What?
The producer is just all over the place.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Watch this. From here to the sidewalk.
Let's see.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! It almost went. Try that again.
Start to a band.
Stop.
Okay. I can go from here.
Okay. The broadcast is getting out of. Whoa! Nice, Caleb. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
I got it. Look. Take it to the ground.
Let me see. Oh, it was landing. That's a cool plane. Can I see it? Can I take a throw?
Glad there weren't no more wasps in there.
Oh, you going through it? That thing can fly.
Daddy.
You guys don't throw. Watch what people are walking.
I want to put chalk on mine.
Oh, okay, put chalk on yours. Here we
Daddy,
go.
watch this. I can beat that.
Ah.
One shot. Daddy, this bendy chalk.
That was
Okay,
a
we'll put
good
it on your plane.
throw.
Put it on your plane.
Watch this, Dad. I'm about to beat you.
Let me see.
Oh, fail.
and I'm still the winner. Yeah.
Can I watch this, Dad? Yeah.
You can put all of them on there.
I win. But, Daddy, I just won. Where's my plane?
Oh, it's out here.
Dad,
It's out here.
I win.
No.
Fail.
No. No. Ow. Do that, son. Caleb's decorating his plane. Stop throwing planes at people. Oh, oh, oh. Watch, this one's going straight up into the stratosphere. Ah!
Godzilla. Yeah. I hit it. I kicked it.
Another one's going straight up into the stratosphere. Ah!
Godzilla. Oh.
Don't throw the plane at people's head.
No,
Precious.
throwing up.
Ah.
Here you go, Dad.
He throws some.
I made it to the sidewalk.
Planes attack. You having fun?
Hey, Dad, don't go all the way to there.
Whoa! Nice. Just pick one up. There's a bunch of them. Planes all over the place. Planes, trains, and automobiles.
Daddy, I need a band-aid.
Where? For what? What happened?
Hmm.
No, you don't need a Band-Aid. You're okay.
It hurts.
Yeah, but a Band-Aid won't stop it from hurting. Go on, get up. Keep it moving. I didn't say roll. Stop, drop, and roll. Alrighty. We're going out here. I think this is a plane.
Put 'em up, baby.
Is this a plane out here?
Okay, let's go.
Whoa. I love you.
Go to it.
Peace.
Watch this,
What are you
Dad.
doing?
Hey, Dad, watch this. Godzilla. Go, go, go.
Let me see you do a dance, Caleb.
No.
Miss Jamie, what are you doing? Are you participating in the airplane war?
Hey, Mom, Dad.
Whoa,
Dad, throw this to me. Throw it to me.
that was very cool.
Throw that to me, Dad. You're lucky you Cam threw it right over here.
Did he?
Yeah. Dad, throw it to me. Damn. Try again. Oh. Try this one. We gotta go over the side. Somebody throw a plane to me, please.
All right, here it comes.
I'm ready.
No.
Try the knife throw. The knife throw will come straight at me.
Yeah.
Kills are just dogs. They won't do anything.
No.
Throw it a little harder. It might work.
What are you trying to do? Godzilla?
We'll see.
Oh,
Throw hard like this, Dad. That's perfect throw.
okay. Wait a minute. Don't throw it. Don't throw it. Don't throw it.
Daddy, can I have some water? Stay
Oh,
right
we
there
don't
and
have
throw
any.
it, Dad. Oh, snap. Godzilla! I blocked it. I see. Can I see, Daddy? Gotcha. Watch this, Dad. Let it rip. I won't block it this time.
Well, you got to block theirs. Where's your plane at? Where's that cool plane?
Dad, here's your thick plane.
Is that the thick one? Yeah, that is the cool plane.
I want it. Oh,
Let me take a fly.
Daddy,
Yeah,
my son
birds.
did not need to do that.
What?
Oh my gosh, look at all those birds.
Whoa.
Hurry. Fly in the plane and try to throw it at the birdie.
All right, here we go. This is it for the win. Oh man.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Watch. Daddy, what is feel?
Okay,
This is mine.
let me see it.
Oh. Here's my plane. What? I accidentally threw a plane right into the green bushes. Colin, what?
Is it still in there?
Yes. Colin, what?
Get it.
Yes.
Caleb,
I didn't do it on purpose. I got yes.
get out of those bushes.
I'm getting my plane.
Get out of those bushes. Hurry up.